Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Shirani. Today I'm going to show you how I make my egg fried rice. The first thing I'm going to make is my sauce. I'm going to use 1 tablespoon of low sodium soy sauce, and I prefer the low sodium one than the regular one. 1 teaspoon of toasted sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. Now this is optional. If you don't have oyster sauce, you can make it without it and it will still taste good. If I want to add a little bit of heat, I'll add some chili garlic sauce like this one. But I don't always use this because if I'm making it for my husband and he doesn't really like spicy food, so I won't use that. But if I'm making it just for myself, I would definitely add it. Mix that really well and set it aside. As always, I'm going to have the exact measurements in the description box below for you. To my pan set over medium-high heat, I'm going to add 2 teaspoons of canola oil, I'm going to add about 2 cups of cooked rice, and 3/4 cup of frozen peas and carrots. I'm going to let this cook for about 5 minutes while I keep stirring it and break up the rice. Now this is by no means no authentic fried rice, but this is how I make it, and I usually do my own thing and I change it up all the time, so it's never the same. One trick about making fried rice, you always want to use leftover rice. You don't want to use fresh cooked rice because you don't want it to be sticky. But my rice was, I have to say, was a little bit sticky because I was testing out rice in my instant pot, and yeah, it's my first time cooking rice in there, so it came out a little bit sticky. But I didn't want to go cook fresh new rice for this, so I just used whatever I had. Most people cook their fried rice in a wok, but let's be honest, I know most of you don't have a wok. I think I have one, but I'm not sure because I never use it. Now that my rice is done to my liking, I'm going to push it aside and I'm going to spray a little bit of oil in there. I love this little sprayer thing because you can evenly distribute the oil. So I'm spraying a little bit of oil and I'm going to add 2 beaten eggs to that. And I'm going to let this scramble a little bit and then I'm going to turn off the stove. At this point, my eggs are almost cooked, so I turn off the stove and I'm going to add my sauce to the pan and mix this really well and break up the egg a little bit, but not too much. By the way, I didn't add any salt to the eggs because I don't need it. The sauce that I'm putting in has enough salt, so there's no salt going in this recipe. The very last thing I'm going to stir in is some chopped green onion. And you're done, the easiest fried rice recipe you'll ever make. I know this doesn't look like your typical fried rice recipe that looks greasy, but this is how I like mine, so if you want more oil in yours or whatever you want in yours, you can change it up and make it your own. Oh my goodness, this is so good. I wish I could share with you guys. Oh, I love the flavor of the sesame oil in there, the soy sauce, the oyster sauce. Oh my goodness, I love these flavors. It's so good. As always, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't yet subscribed, please don't forget to do that, and I'll talk to you in my next one. Take care. Bye.